How to fix your Discord is not showing your Spotify status. So for example, if you have Spotify playing a song and you cannot see it on your Discord status, or even if you go to a server, your account appears to be in normal idle activity. Now to solve this issue, you want to click on the user settings icon here, and then you want to go to connections. And if you have an if you have a Spotify account already linked, you want to make sure to enable display Spotify as your status. And if you don't have it linked, you'll need to link a Spotify account. Just click on the Spotify icon. It should bring you to a login page on your web browser. Now you will need to sign into your Spotify account, and once you sign in, it should redirect you back to this page, which means your Spotify has been successfully linked. Now you can close this page, and this should appear under your connections. Now simply make sure to enable this option that says display Spotify as your status, and you might need to restart Discord if it does not show. Now if you start playing on your Spotify and you click on your profile, you should be able to see listening to Spotify and the song you're listening to, as well as if you go to any Discord server, you can see it right here, playing music and then Spotify. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.